Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? Well, I'm going to do, as you can see in the title, an unboxing of something I had been wanting for a while, but I considered it kind of one of those things that it's not actually necessary. It's just one of those nice to haves, right? And occasionally you can have those when you got your bills paid. First of all, when you tithe, then you have your bills paid, you give to savings and then to charities that you want. That is the responsible way of handling your money. Have I done it that way all the time? No. Do I try to all the time? Yes. And that is the situation right now. This, I'm in a good situation, a good place with my money, and so I thought, there's a couple little somethings that I'd like to have. And one of them is this Dior. It's a makeup item. It is not a handbag or anything like that. Small leathers. Even though there is a small leather good, I've got my own. I just wonder, do I really want to put that kind of money into a Dior? But anyway, that's the outside box. It's very pretty. It looks like white leather. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's very, very pretty. And of course, their little, sticker closure. It's a very nice opening experience. So let's just see. So here's the two items I got. The cushion powder and the Forever foundation. I know you're thinking, Beth, why would you get into a foundation that is going to cost you that much money? If I love it, it's worth it. You know right now that my current favorite foundation, what I'm wearing today, is my Chanel Perfection Lumiere Velvet in 22 Beige Rose. This is my absolute favorite. I feel like it gives a nice matte finish, but my natural, not shine, because I don't have an oily face. If anything, I have a dry face. But I get some shine that comes through, and that's without makeup. When I do my Flower Beauty Seal the Deal, it gives a really nice finish. But this is just with matte, and I feel like this really, most people think, well, matte looks so dry, dry for older ladies. It doesn't have to with the right makeup, but it's not cheap. It's $30 or $30-something, and this is even more. So we're going to see how we like this. This is called... wait a minute, that is definitely not the color I would have chosen. Too Warm Peach. What? This may need to be a return. Warm Peach. Okay, so it's a beautiful packaging. And beautiful packaging matters to me, as you can see from my Charlotte Tilbury, the Light Wonder Youth Boosting Youth Boosting Perfect Skin Foundation. Very, very pretty with the rose gold and the burgundy writing. This is the frosted glass and the silver writing. So let's just see this. Why would I have ever chose Warm Peach? That is just not like me. I would never choose warm. Ever. Because I have cool undertones. I feel like this is a boo-boo, y'all. I'm going to have to look. But let's just see what it looks like. To me, it looks like it. I don't know. Could I make it work? Well, now that I own it, maybe. I mean, as you can see, do you see how blue-toned I am? But look what else it is doing. Because that warm peach undertone is canceling some darkness. So that could be a good thing. It might be brightening. I'll have to try it and see. But right off the top, I have makeup on, so I'm not doing this on my face, y'all. I feel like it's going to be too orange. Unless it's really blended well. That can be something that you can do. You can take a color that is not your right color. But for this kind of price, why would I do that? But then also, the hassle of returning it. Why in the world would I get Warm Peach? I wonder if I must have hit it wrong, or did they ship it wrong? And the thing now is, I forgot this was in here. I thought it was just the powder. Maybe with the powder on top, it'll help it. Let's see. This is what I really got it for. I am going to hold on to that. Is this cushion powder. A lot of this is packaging. I will be honest with you. I saw this, and I thought this is in light, which would be right for my powder. And I just fell in love with the packaging. This is so luxurious. Isn't that pretty? Look how thick. Isn't that pretty? But again, this is light cushion powder. So let's just see. This is real leather. Would you ever? I think it's real leather. Maybe it's a pleather. Maybe it has to be, right? Anyway, I think it's pretty in the black, and I also thought it was beautiful in this creamy color. When you open it, it's got a nice mirror, it's got the little cushion, and it is blocked from the product underneath so that it does not sweat. It is a powder. This is not base. This is a powder. And so you can see it's on a vent screen. And so again, this is for touch-ups. So you would keep this in your purse. Let's just say I'm going to touch up right now, because this is exactly how I do it on either side of my nose, under here and here. Another place that you can touch up to give a lift is under here, because it lightens it. But that doesn't look like it's lightening it. It looks like base. This looks like base, y'all. This doesn't look like powder for me. But it's, I feel like it's a good color for me. What do y'all think? That's all that I would do. That's just from, I don't want it getting out in my purse or anything. So you got to make sure that it's got a good closure on it. And put your little powder puff, your little puff back in. Get any excess powder off. That's so nice. What do y'all think? I wonder if I put this on top of that, if it would look good. We'll find out. I'll do a tutorial. But you can just see where this stops right there. Look at the blue tone skin versus the warm tone of this makeup. The only good thing about that could be is that it blends in. If I blend it in really, really well, powder and blush and contour like I normally would anyway, and see if it would give a nice warmth to my face and neck. Even blended in, it's still, look at the difference in tone. I don't think it's going to work. Don't. I can almost promise you it won't. And I can't believe I would have ordered that either. So there's that. But I do like the powder. The powder looks good, I think. What do y'all think? It's a nice matte finish. Let me look in the mirror, because y'all are looking at it under the lights. Oh my gosh, it feels very soft. Very soft. What that means is it's pretty finely milled, which means it will wear through the day better. Now, how is that the case? Because, frankly, it will sink down into your pores better and better and have a more blended look as the day goes on. So, yeah. What do y'all think? I love that it's a thick compact. I really do like that. And I love that the reason is because because it keeps the poof away from the product. So, I like that. So that's it, y'all. And again, that color was light. That's just, it doesn't have a number, I don't think. Does it have a number? No, just light. So that is what it looks like. So y'all, I'm going to do a tutorial with that foundation and see if we can make it blend that it doesn't look, because see, I've got bronzer on that is got more of a peach or orange tone. If you put that next to my hands do look more blue. See how my veins come through so blue? That means you're neutral to cool tone when they look blue. When you have more yellow skin or darker skin, you need a warmer tone. But it also, look, hides it. So up here, it may be a good thing as long as I blend it down pretty good and evenly out, disperse it out. So anyway, I do love the powder. We'll have to wait and see about the foundation. We'll look on the tutorial and see how it goes. If it doesn't, you get full ability to return it within 30 days, the unused portion, and they will give you a refund or exchange. I wouldn't mind an exchange. I do like the coverage. I really do like the coverage. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye. 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 Bye.